Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your existing account on the Metal Slug Awakening game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Metal Slug Awakening on your device, and once you are taken into the login page, you will see the option to enter your credentials. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the Forgot Password option, and you can also log in directly with your verification code. Just type in your email address that you have used while signing up for your account, and then enter your account password underneath within the password box. You can also check the Stay Logged In box if you are logging in through your private device. Finally, click on the login button, and now you will be logged into your account on the Metal Slug Awakening game. You can click on the launch button to start your gameplay right away. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Metal Slug Awakening game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.